What's up? I'm coming to you from Black Balsam Knob in North Carolina. It's a Friday, October 21st. It's just before 1 o'clock. The weather's beautiful. It's about 50 degrees and clear. Let's hit the trail. As you can see, it's a pretty crowded destination, and there are plenty of cars here at the trailhead. I had to walk about a quarter mile to get to the trailhead, but it was a pretty good parking spot. There were plenty of cars, probably about 3/4 of a mile, half a mile out, and there are still more cars coming. So after a relatively short walk to get out here, this trail opens up into some pretty nice views. Series of steps here to help preserve the terrain and the vegetation.
After splitting off towards the summit of Sam Knob, which sits at around 6,050 feet, the trail becomes rocky and begins to ascend steadily. After the set of stairs around the halfway point, the trail is very exposed, but extremely beautiful.
This section of trail here is just tremendous. Opens up with these expansive views, and there's a couple nice little rock outcroppings where you can pull off, take some pictures, have a snack, live the life. Beautiful out here. So now I am heading back down the Sam Knob Summit Trail, back toward the Black Balsam Knob trailhead parking, and we'll see what else we have time for today. Alright, here we are back at the split off, and I'm gonna head across kind of back over here to the parking lot, So that's Sam Knob, you can see behind me in the background. Just came down from up there. Beautiful views. Back up these stairs. Just a beautiful day out here on the Sam Knob Trail. I've run into a few other hikers. I wouldn't call it busy or crowded necessarily. And it's just, again, outstanding. Cool breeze, crisp air. Just couldn't be clearer or nicer.
You can check out some of my other adventures here, and hopefully, one day soon, I'll see you out on trail.